Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cream and onion chips at home. This easy method will guide you through creating a truly satisfying snack. We will start by gathering simple ingredients like fresh potatoes, sour cream, and a sweet onion. You will also need some common pantry staples, ensuring a flavorful and crispy result every time. Get ready to enjoy your very own homemade chips. Next, let's prepare our potatoes for frying. Begin by washing 2 large potatoes thoroughly, then slice them very thinly, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch. Soaking these slices in cold water for 30 minutes helps remove excess starch, which is key for crispiness. After soaking, it is crucial to pat every single slice completely dry with paper towels before they go into the hot oil. Now it is time to fry our potato slices to golden perfection. Heat about 2 cups of a neutral oil, like vegetable or canola, to precisely 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the potato slices in small, manageable batches to avoid overcrowding the pan, which ensures even cooking. Once they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy, remove them with a slotted spoon and let them drain on paper towels. Finally, let's create that irresistible cream and onion flavor. In a bowl, combine 1/2 cup of sour cream with 1/4 cup of finely diced sweet onion. Stir in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and season with salt to your preference. Immediately after frying, toss your warm, crispy chips with this delicious, creamy mixture. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly seasoned cream and onion chips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.